The origin of this idea is actually a farmyard drinking trough or water tank. And a lot of agricultural collections of buildings stored water. We're adjacent to a working farm, and actually having something that was quite industrial, agricultural and unpretentious was very important. If we'd cast every part of it, we probably would have had a different quality that we didn't necessarily want around the pool, because the advantage of these really beautiful pre-cast pieces is they are incredibly crisp, and I think they actually form a really beautiful contrast and a very hard edge to the rippling water. The introduction of an outdoor kitchen is part of the sort of dual use of the space. It's used for entertaining, it's used for swimming, and there's a lot of time can be spent in this courtyard. What we didn't want to do is to build a building, make a big statement, so something that actually is sculpturally beautiful when it's not in use, yet can actually completely change character when there is food being cooked. It's a performance space as well. Working with Lazenby is something we've done several times before and has been very successful. Sometimes we like a seamless, homogeneous flow, whereas changing material and hoping they're going to match is not something that is always completely successful. So this seemed like an obvious choice.